You're the sub-zonal, na? You're I'm very sorry. I'll tell you something, I promise you that those people will be given the most strict punishment. I spoke to DGP myself.
I must need, sir.
No, not only for you, for the entire, not only your family, for the entire Tiprasa community. I promise you that these people will go to jail. They'll be given the most strict punishment, and this is my guarantee to you. I will, if I need a top lawyer, I'll get the best lawyer. But we will make sure that they remain in jail. If they have to get hanging also, we'll whatever. But we'll ask for the strongest punishment. This is, we have to send a message that they cannot kill our people like this and get away with it. I promise you. This is my commitment, not as anything as Group of Rally.
Okay, sir. I will optimistic.
Take it. Let me.